How to screen record on Samsung phones. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Samsung phone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in screen recorder on your Samsung phones so that you can record the screen on your phone. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply swipe down from the top of our phone until the menu opens, and then just swipe down again to open up the control panel right here. From here, what we want to do is find and select Screen Recorder. Now, if you don't see it on this first screen here, you may have to swipe to the right. And if you still don't see Screen Recorder in this list right here, hit the plus button. And then you just want to find it in the available buttons, then hold the button down and move it down so that you have the Screen Recorder in your active buttons. From there, just hit done. All right, so once you've found the Screen Recorder button here, simply select that. And then as you can see, we have a couple different settings in here. So first, we can decide what sound will be included in the video that we record of our screen. So first, no sound, media sound. So this is going to be any sound internally for the phone. So music, maybe games, or media sound and mics. So maybe if you're going to be recording something and talking at the same time, this is what I usually do. This will record the internal audio of the phone and also the microphone for external audio. After that, we have show taps and touches. So if I do that, it'll record and show where I'm touching on the screen. So if I'm doing a tutorial or something like that, that can be very helpful for helping people understand where you're touching on your screen. Once you've made the settings changes the way you want them, simply hit start recording. You'll see the countdown that gives you some time before it does start recording. And then at the top, you'll see the buttons up here to where you can pause, stop, and then also make changes to your recording. We can minimize this by hitting that arrow, and then it just shows the time right there. To end your recording, all you need to do is swipe from the top to the bottom, and you'll see the red notification. Select that. And then as you can see, the recording has now been saved. All right, so that's how you screen record on a Samsung phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Samsung phone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.